Hello, everyone. I'm Anna Steingruber here at AHR Expo 2025 in Orlando at the Aeroseal booth with Jarrod Scott. Welcome, Jarrod. Thanks so much for talking to us today.
Thank you.
For a little background, Jarrod Scott is the National Director for Aeroseal ducts, so we've got just a few questions for you today.
Sure.
Can you just start by telling us what the technology is that Aeroseal is really known for and what you're highlighting here?
Yeah, so the initial technology is a solution for sealing ducts on the inside. So it's a different way of doing it, but it seals with a liquid sealant, turns it into a fog. That fog travels through the duct system, and it's deposited at only the leak spots. So it doesn't encapsulate or completely line the ducts. It goes just to the leak points. And with that, we have a dealer network that goes out and supports the marketplace with it, both on the residential and the commercial side.
Very nice. And so for the residential side specifically, why is this technology important?
So on the residential, it really helps improve efficiency. That's one of the biggest draws to it. Depending on the region and the type of home, it's about 8 to 15% energy efficiency improvement. And then by sealing ductwork, it also helps improve the comfort in the home. So think of a typical home is going to lose about 10 to 30% of the conditioned air if it's not sealed with something like Aeroseal. And that means it's going to dump it into the walls, crawl spaces, attics, or something like that. By sealing it and getting it tight the way that Aeroseal can do, it will get all of the conditioned air where it's supposed to go.
Right. That makes sense. And so specifically, how do contractors implement or deploy this technology in their everyday, day-to-day?
So they'll often put it into their business, and they'll do it along with if a homeowner has a system being replaced, an HVAC system being replaced is a great opportunity to tie it in, because you're not just fixing no cooling or no heating situation. You're also improving or repairing the ductwork. And then seasonally, as they have shoulder seasons and things like that, it can be done with tune-ups, service calls, things like that. It's also really great when it's paired with IAQ. So duct cleaning truck or IAQ department works really well with that too. That's going to be on the improving the indoor air environment and making healthier air.
Right, which is always important. You always want to make sure that you're healthy and clean.
Yeah.
Yes. And so are there any new products that Aeroseal is introducing into the market or that you're highlighting here?
Yeah, so we have a couple new products. The one in front of us, can't see it, but it's the Home Seal Connect 5.0 using the OptimTech technology. So this is basically optimizing the fan speed and the duct pressure to seal faster. So when we think of improving products, we want to make them faster so that contractors can they can better resource their crews. Also, it's better to be in and out of the home as fast as you can, right? And then the other technology on the other pedestal over there is our new airless technology. So instead of it being an air compressor supported solution, this one has an industrial sprayer that atomizes or creates the fog. And so it makes the deployment in a truck or a trailer much smaller footprint, so that it can be deployed with an HVAC install truck or duct cleaning truck, something like that. That is much easier to get in and out and faster to seal that way too.
Got it. And are there any specific industries that are using these products, and why are those the ones that this is leaning towards?
Yeah, on the residential side, it's mostly HVAC contractors that make up the core of our 1,200 plus contractor network. Duct cleaners also use it. As I mentioned, it really pairs well with that. But also one of our emerging industry markets is solar. So solar contractors they're trying to get a larger energy offset, where there could be a challenging array install, or just giving the customer a better return on investment. So if you figure they're trying to make reductions in energy use and lighting, and maybe doing some air sealing or something like that, they really don't touch the HVAC system. So 8 to 15% reduction on a solar install it's a big offset, and so it gives them more value in it, helps improve their ROI, and it also for them it has a customer retention benefit too.
Got it. That makes sense. And do you think that there are any changes upcoming for Aeroseal in this residential market, or something you'd like to talk about there?
There are always changes. We are an innovation company, so everything that we do from the application, sealant formulation, how we atomize the material, there's a whole team of engineers. I wish they could be here, but they're working hard to actually continue to improve. We want to make things smaller, faster, easier to deploy, and that's really what they're going to do. So, on the horizon, we have a building envelope technology that we don't have on display here that's already in the market. And we have a couple other cool air sealing things coming down the road within the next couple of years.
Very nice. Well, those are all the questions I had. Is there anything else about the show or about Aeroseal that you'd like to say?
Sure. I'd like to thank all of our dealers that really make this possible. They're the ones that go to the marketplace and put this into their business and make this work and be successful for them. Really, without them, there's no us, right? No Aeroseal. So I think that's the big thing. We really appreciate and love them. And, on the residential side, there's plenty of opportunity. It's not, though it's unique, it's not niche, right? So it's something that is there for comfort, energy efficiency, and air quality that all of the contractors get calls for. Very easy to implement. And we support everybody that's out there with training and how to go to market so they don't have to figure it out.
Great. Well, thank you so much for taking the time. I know it's a busy show, so I appreciate you talking to us.
Sure. Thank you
very
much.
Nice. And once again, I'm Anna Steingruber covering AHR for Solar Power World. Make sure to check us out for more information and more coverage. Talk to you next time.